Each one of us has a universe of potential waiting within. Yet the unfortunate truth? Only a few ever truly unleash it. This isn't a quote from an ancient philosopher, nor the words of a famous business magnate. This is my story. A year back, I found myself standing at crossroads, staring at a future that seemed more daunting than promising. But today, I stand here, having earned 8 times my monthly paycheck, all because I unleashed my power, the power of a success-oriented mindset. This is my story. A simple tale of harnessing the power of mindset and scaling heights one could only dream of. 12 months ago, I found myself standing at the formidable crossroads of life. A future rife with ominous implications stared back at me. Success seemed far away and unattainable. The journey ahead was fraught with pockets of unknowns, areas without a clear path forward. Threatening, yes, but also tantalizingly filled with vast opportunities for success. As I stand here today, a person who has managed to multiply his monthly paycheck by 8 times, all within a mere span of a year. I am a living testament to the fact that an oriented mindset is the most powerful tool at your disposal. When I say that your mind possesses the power to transform your world, to reshape and remold it, I'm not kidding. It's an undeniable fact. A reality that I have both learnt and lived. It's a profound truth etched into my consciousness through my experiences, and today I wish to share it with the world. I want to share with you my 5 key steps, 5 crucial elements that radically transform my mindset and set me firmly on the path to success. 1. Embrace the unknown. One of my biggest lessons was embracing uncertainty. I realized that the unknown is not an adversary to be feared, but an ally to be sought. Every unexplored territory represents a wealth of opportunities waiting to be discovered. My journey began with an internet browsing session that led me to an opportunity to start an online business. It was new and bewildering. I stood on the precipice of a decision to retreat to the familiarity of my comfort zone or to delve into the unknown. I chose the latter, learned, adapted, and conquered. 2. Set specific and realistic goals. Just as a jet doesn't leave the tarmac without a destination in mind, one should not meander through life aimlessly without a clear focus. I created a roadmap to success by setting small, achievable goals. My victory did not consist of making millions in a month. I started by earning a few $100s monthly, gradually increasing my target as I achieved each goal. Using apps like Trello and Evernote, I was able to organize and monitor my progress towards meeting these objectives. 3. Understand, learn, and overcome failure. Failure is the stepping stone to success. The moment I embraced this axiom, my perception of life shifted. I stopped seeing setbacks and disappointments as hampering blocks and started considering them golden opportunities to learn and grow. With the aid of tools like Mindset Go, I could objectively evaluate my failures and glean invaluable lessons from them. It's a journey. It's okay to stumble and fall as long as you dust yourself and rise, smarter and more prepared. 4. Challenge your perceived limits. Limits are intended to be shattered. Ask yourself, can I make a fortune out of an online business? If the answer is no, then you need to do it anyway. Pushing past perceived limitations is about daring to take on challenges that seem beyond your capabilities. Step out of your comfort zone and strive to achieve more. 5. Surround yourself with positivity. Our environment shapes our perceptions, and perceptions shape reality. It is, therefore, crucial that you surround yourself with a positive environment. Listen to motivational podcasts, follow successful entrepreneurs on social media, engage with inspiring communities like Entrepreneurs Breakthrough for regular pep talks. Having shared the 5 keys used to unlock my mind, remember that nothing comes easy. In the renowned words of Dr. Napoleon Hill, whatever the mind can conceive and believe, it can achieve. So make a start today. Take hold of your dreams with both hands and steer your destiny to your chosen destination. Are you ready to rebuild your mindset and unlock your true potential? Are you ready to create a success-oriented mindset that will allow you to navigate through any storms you may face? Take the first step today. Subscribe not just to this channel, but also to a future that is within your control and a life you've designed with your own actions. I have shared my story, and if a skeptic like me could make it, I am completely certain that you can too. Not just make it, but blaze a trail of extraordinary success. Unleash your power, unleash your potential. Your future is yours to shape. The outcome is in your hands. Remember that the destination is success. Now, it's time to start your journey.